this is a video for me. Need to do all new contactors on this thing. 1, 2, 3. Compressor, indoor fan, and I want to do relay condenser fans probably too. Or if we'll do that relay at the same time. Contactors are all pretty wasted. They're down to like 25% or less. So these contactors, this is the model in the unit. So I'd just like to order the right contactors from Carrier. Let's do that. Now see what I got here. Let's see if I can get some models. I got that one, contactor, whatever that shit is on there, that, and then that's that one, and then we got that.